is Besma Smida. I'm an associate professor of electrical and computer engineering at the UIC, University of Illinois at Chicago. Before that, I held a couple of positions at Purdue University and Harvard University. My main research is in wireless communication. I'm a senior member of IEEE and I'm a distinguished lecturer of IEEE Communication Society for 2021, 2022, and 2023. The thing that I'm most proud of at this time is my NSF Career Award. So that was my first time as a sole PI for a proposal. And that kind of opened to me that research field that I really enjoyed and I like it a lot, which is to be a little bit in a reconciliation between communication theory people, which are more of the research are based on math and performance derivation, and then the electromagnetism people, more like radio frequency people. When it's the performance, more, I would say, more like the physics. So reconciliating those two, I think we have a huge advantage if we can do that right, to really improve and push wireless communication to be more spectrum efficient. You'll have more high data rate, we will decrease the latency, and we will also make it more green. Like in terms of power, we can really save a lot of power by taking advantage of what's available in the RF electromagnetism field and use it and optimize it with communication theory tools that we have over the years. Because of this NSF career, I was able to join UIC, and when I joined UIC, we have this huge lab with 4 female PIs. I'm very proud and happy to be part of that team. So then we can cover all communication network issue in a sense. So we cover all the issue and provide solution from all the way from information theory, the extreme theoretical, all the way to building system and have some things that works on the lab. So I'm very happy to be part of that. The impact in a general sense, I would say in the closest sense to communication will be, of course, to have communication links that are more spectrum efficient, so more data rate for the same bandwidth, the same power. But I would like to have systems that have lower latency. So this will allow us to control system, to have staff that are more like controlled wirelessly, like drone, to be able to control and have responsive time that is more effective than what we have right now. But also to talk about making communication more green, as I said before. So I really wanted, in terms of that, to kind of have this power, thinking about the power at the same time. We have so many cell phones, so many base stations all over. So I also see there is a future of kind of linking radar and communication in a much more efficient way if we were able to make the wireless communication right now more efficient. Best advice was for me is to kind of try and look and seek fundamental problem. Look at the problem and keep the problem being really the motivation, not the tools to be the motivation for the research I'm doing. Because it's much easier to say, I have a nice tools, let's kind of find somewhere where I can use it, and I will keep publishing paper using roughly the same tools to solve a little bit of problem here and there. It's not what I'm using. The tools could be signal processing, machine learning, could be RF, could be communication theory, could be math. It doesn't matter. The solution could be anywhere, and we should really look for the solution everywhere. But I still believe fundamentally the problem should be the one that leads the methodology, not the other way around. I say the key piece of advice that I'm myself still struggling with, so I don't know if that applies to everyone, is definitively the time management. So especially in this career, what kind of helps me over the year to feel, okay, this semester I submitted, 5 proposals. So mostly all my time was toward funding. But then maybe the next semester I would say, okay, everything funding, I did my part, and let's go to the publishing. Let's spend more time in publishing, cleaning the papers that the students send me, help with, figure out where to send, reviewing response, all this stuff related to publishing, and then do the same for teaching. So to have like no excess, but still try to keep everything up to a certain level, I think it's nice. ComSoc is where I connect because I believe in the power of mentorship. The mentor could be leaders in communication technology from academia, from industry, from government. They could be from all over the world.